Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple but so gorgeous reversible, only 2 rows repeating actually, and using only slip stitch and half double crochet stitch. So simple Beanie. You crochet one at a time, in not make 2 pieces, only make 1 piece and sew them together and you have a Beanie. This is front side actually. You can use this prim part like that, or you can use like that, or I will show you. When you turn it to the back side, this is your, I will hide it, promise. This is your back side, but it's so beautiful, not so back side. This is your new brim part. I hope you like it. I like it very, very, very much. I use here 5mm hook, here, sorry, 6mm hook, and worsted weight yarn. This category is 4, sizes 4, and using 6mm hook. When you use more thicker yarns, your effect will be more beautiful. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful Beanie. Let's start to crochet. For starting, you need nearly 33-34 centimeter chains. For my yarn, I make here 45 chains, and this pattern you need to be your chains multiples of 3. Okay, first of all, here make a slip knot, then not make so tight and make your chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I make my 45 chains and it's equal to here 34 centimeter nearly. Then, so simple pattern. Skip this very first, start from the second one, insert your hook, grab your yarn and make slip stitch 1. Next one, slip stitch 2. Next one, slip stitch 3. Then yarn over. Next 3 stitch you will make half double crochet. Insert your hook, grab your yarn, you have 3 loops, pull through all together 1. Yarn over, you have 3 loop, pull through all together. Yarn over, next loop, grab your yarn, pull through all together. 3 half double. 3 slip stitch, 3 half double. Now 3 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, 3 half double. 1, 2, 3. Now 3 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. 3 half double. 1, 2, 3. Now 3 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Again 3 half double. 1, 2, 3. You will repeat your pattern 3 slip stitch, 3 half double until left here nearly 6 centimeter chains. Look at it now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 until left 8 stitch. So I have here, we skipped the very first, we made 45 chains, skip the very first one, we left here 44 chains, left 8 one, I have 36 chains, so it's multiples of 3, it's not problem. Okay, so 3 half double, now 3 slip stitch, make my last 3 half double. 1, 2, 3. Left here 8 stitch, left 4 1, and make here 4 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left this 4 1. Chain 1 and turn your work. We crochet this left 4 stitch next round. This round so easy. You will make slip stitch in every each stitch, but using only back loop. Okay, not count that chain 1. Start from the first one, but using back loop here. Find it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my Beanie stop. Okay, this is my pattern. You know that. Make slip stitch in every each stitch using back loop. Come to end. 1, 2. Don't forget your last stitch here. 3. Chain 1 and turn. Not count that. That's the repeating now. We start, you know, one before previous row, slip stitch. This time we will start for this whole half double crochet, yarn over, but make my stitches only back loop. Insert back loop, grab my yarn, pull through all together. 1, 2, 3. Next stitch, one before previous, we made half double. We will make here now slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Next half double. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 slip stitches. Now one before previous we made slip stitch. Now we will make half double. 1, 2, 3 half double. Now 3 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Only using back loop. That's the point. Now 3 half double. Next 3 slip stitch. Next 3 half double. Three slip stitch. Three half double. Three slip stitch. Look at here. Previous one before previous row we made here half double. This is our top of Beanie. Here 4 stitch. We come here with slip stitches. 2, 3 this time. Now we have here 8 stitch. We crochet this 4 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, come to here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 1 and turn your work. Make every stitch slip stitch, not count that, start from the very first one. Only use back loop. 1, 2, 3. At the end of I have 44 slip stitch, but using only back loop. I complete, come here and turn to you. I come to end, don't forget last stitch, chain 1 and turn your work. Now this is repeating we start with slip stitch. Next set we start with half double. Now we will start half double on slip stitch. Not count that, start from the very first, make 3 slip stitches, 1, 2, 3. Make half double crochet on this slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, using back loop. Now half double I will make slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. I see slip stitch, I will make half double. Now I will make slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Make half double. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now half double. Now slip stitch. Look at that, left here. You can put here a marker if you get confused about that. 2, 4, 6, 8 stitch left. I come here with 3 half double, you know. This is our top of Beanie. Now I crochet this time only 4. Next round 8. One set I will crochet only 4 for the top. Next set I will crochet 8 of them. Now I will crochet 4 stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4 slip stitch, chain 1 and turn my work left. I will make every stitch a slip stitch, only using back loop. Okay, like that. Then you will make your slip stitches back side, turn your work. Before set you start with slip stitch. Next set you will start half double crochet. You will crochet half double slip stitch, half double slip stitch. When you come here, you will come here with slip stitch. You will crochet for the top 8 slip stitch this time. Then turn your work and make a slip stitch in each stitch, only using back loop. When you finish this set, next set you start with half double. Next set you will start single slip stitch. So this time you will crochet all the stitch here. I think it's clear. I will repeat it for child nearly 44, 48. If you want to make it for an adult, you need crochet it 52 to 56. It's your choice. I will make it bigger after 30 and join it together. I crocheted this time 48 centimeter. This is for 12, 14 years old. Okay, maybe if you had a little head, you can use it. I repeat it. Look at that, it looks gorgeous. Now, join 2 sides together, but you will be careful about that. We start with slip stitch, you know. Your last before of the last stitch you start with half double crochet. Okay, it's like a puzzle and put them together. Then this is the back side also beautiful too. It's, I think this Beanie can use both sides. Put the front sides together, then insert your hook, first stitch, get this loop, join with a slip stitch. Then we will look at the stitches. I have here this side only one loop, you can see that. I have on this 2 loops, so I insert my hook, this loop, then take the opposite sides only back loop. Okay, grab my yarn and make slip stitch. Insert here, insert back loop, slip stitch. Here, back loop, slip stitch. I will make every stitch a slip stitch using the second side's back loop. Look at the here. That's the joining. This is so clear. I will complete like that, come to end and turn to you. I come to end, you can see that. Last loop, I insert both loops. Okay, last stitch. Then make my slip stitch. Then you can use here a needle, lose your loop, this loop, then insert your hook. Every these front stitches you can see here, I insert, take this yarn, because I want to shrink my Beanie's top. Okay, like that. You can do that with needle. When you come to end, take this yarn in this big loop. Then be carefully shrink your Beanie's top. Yes, we close the top. Now be carefully pull that because it's not chop from here. Yes, now I will take a little tiny hook here, insert this and opposite side. I will hide this yarn. Then look at this is back side. Also you can use it like that. I think it's beautiful. We turn it to the front side. This is front side and this is top of our Beanie. So clear and beautiful. That's our Beanie. Make this brim part like that. Don't you like? I like it very much. I hope you like it and you will try that. It's so simple. Only make slip stitches and half double crochets. So simple. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.